So guys, hello, my name is Mike here and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be showing you how to translate a Word document from different languages. You can translate it. Let's say you have a friend in France and then you speak English, and you know your friend is very good at French. The Word document you're writing it in English, and you want to translate it to French so that you can send it to your friend in France. You can simply do it with Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word, as usual, you can also translate Word documents. You can switch it between languages. You can switch it from French to English, from English to French. You can also switch it from Spanish to English, Spanish to French. You can switch between many languages. So let's start. We're going to be having fun today. Let me just jump over to the PC. Hello guys, and now we're on the PC. So now what now we do is just to come right and open my Word, my Microsoft Word. So I'm using the new edition of Microsoft Word. So now what I will do right now is to come here and let's say I want to translate from French to English. What I will do is, let's say I type bonjour. Bonjour in French means like hello, you're saying hello or good morning. So if I type bonjour, this is a French word, bonjour. I learned this in school. I learned French in school. So now bonjour, and if I come right here and I come to review, and under review, I will come right here. You see translate right here. I will click on that, and then I will translate document. But here you can see translate selection. This translate selection, I'll tell you guys what it's about later. But now let's work with translate document. So now is to translate documents. So now we're loading, and now let's say what you typed is an English word. So you come right here you go to from English, and then let's say you want it in French, you go to French. So now, or let's say what you type is a Spanish word, you go to from Spanish, or if it's a Japanese word, you go to from Japanese. But now Spanish, yes, if it's from French, you click on Spanish. From Spanish, and let's say you want it in English, go to English. Or let's say the person you're sending it to, it's like the person understand Spanish more, and then you understand English more. You can simply just type the documents in an English form, and after that you come to review, come to translate, and come to from English, you go to from English, and then right here, and that's why I go from English, you click on that and go to Spanish, and then you cannot send a document to your friend that goes and understands Spanish. But now I type a French word, and what I will do now right now is to go to here I go to from French to English. You can see right here French to English. It's there in English, but let's say I want it in Chinese. I can put Chinese. But now I want it in English. I said that bonjour means like good morning. You're telling the person hello, good morning. And now what I'll do is to click on translate. So now it is translating this document. And now it has translated it to hello. As I told you guys, bonjour means hello. So now what I'll do right now, I can claim this and type. I can type bonsoir, which means good evening. Bonsoir, and I go to translate, and I go to translate under review, and I go to translate here and go to translate document, and now you translate it from French to English. So now I'll click on translate from French to English, then it's translating, and now you can see it right here. It means good evening. And zoom that out. So now I say that under the review, if you come to translate, you can see that here there's a first one called translate selection. I said that I'll take you guys on that, and there's a first one called translate selection. So now let's say I type something. I type a bunch of things like I type good morning, or let's say hello, and I come again and type good evening. So now what I'm going to do is to use the translate selection. I'm under review, and now let's say I type good evening, and then I want the hello to still be in English, and then I just want to translate only the good evening, just a good evening. What I will do now is just to highlight the good evening. I will select that. I will highlight the good evening so that words can translate only the good evening and not the hello. And I'll come right here and say translate selection. And now since the good evening is in English, not in French, I'll keep it from English. I'll put it from English to French, and not from French to English. It will be from English to French. And what I did is to highlight it so that I can translate the part I selected. And I came here and I went to translate selected. So now what now is doing is that it's loading so that it can get the selected part. So now it's coming to it's also the text. Also the text means that word can go and detect the language for you. And now it has gone and stay down and say that it's in English, but I can also put it as English. I'll put it as English if I want, but since it's also the text, it might waste more time to load. But when I put it in English, it will waste less time to load because it knows the language already. But if it's also to text, it first of all have to detect the language that is in English before you can translate it. So now click on English, and now here I'll translate it to French. I can also translate it to Spanish, any language I want. Almost all the languages are here. I think I'm going with French. I think I'm going with French. I think I've passed that here. Translate it to French. So now it means bonsoir. You can see right here, good evening in English means bonsoir in French, and I can start that. And now you to change it, bonsoir. So now you guys have seen the way to use the translator, the document translator, and the selection translator. So now we can also switch between translator. Let's say I want to translate the old document. I'll come right here. Let's say I'm coming to translate the part I selected. I'll just come right here. So now what again? Let me just translate more things for you. Let's say I write this in French. This is a French word. Valise-vous bien. Valise-vous bon. And now let's say I'm using let's say the part I'm translating is not the old document. Let's say the part I'm translating is not the old document. That I'm just translating a part that I selected. What I will do is to select this again. I'm going to translate. I'm going to translate selection. I'll click on that, and you see here will pop up, and then it translate the part I selected. And now since this, I'll go to from French. Since the word I type is in French, I'll go to from French to English. So I'm going for English. Almost all the languages are here. Words, Microsoft it did a pretty good job by news, and here you can see English. And now I can and now you see that it's loading. And now what this means is, guys, please subscribe. And now I can start this. So now guys, you can see it right here. Please subscribe. So guys, thanks for watching, and please, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below and comment nice video. And if you have any video you want me to cover, please leave it down in the comment section below. I'll read them all and add it to my list of videos to create. And please subscribe, because that way you're going to get notified anytime I upload any content just like this. So guys, please subscribe. Bye, hope to see you next time.